I don't cook, I don't clean. Let me show you how I got that ring. Carti B, Offset. Maybe if she would have cooked or cleaned, she could have kept the ring. Smash that like button if you agree. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to leave your thoughts down below because I really want to know about this one. Watch this.
Of my own followings. When it comes for today's events and stuff,
Listen.
I don't know if it's true. I don't think it's true. I don't care to find out because I've been single for a minute now, but I have been afraid to I'm not afraid, I just don't know how to tell the world. But I feel like today has been a sign. The last time I got on live, I kind of wanted you guys to tell you. I kind of wanted to tell you guys, but I didn't know how to tell you. So I was I changed my mind. But it has been like this for a minute now. And
why is it like that for a minute? This is why. Because the house that they supposedly was building is actually built on sand. You never build a house on sand because it never lasts. Now, I'm for family. I wish them well. But I already seen it coming. You can't make a hoe a housewife. You get what I'm saying? These celebrity things, you cannot do that in this world. Because that's not really real. Think about it. Think about it. Now, I tell people, look, how about you just go read the Bible? Now, I'm not spreading religion on you, but the Bible teaches you a lot. Read it for spiritual purposes. Read it for financial purposes. Don't read it for religion. Because if you read it for religion, we can't relate. But if you read it as a guide, then maybe we can relate to something. And it simply states, right? Her womb and her brain is the assets. But if her womb is for the public, right? And her brain is for the public, then you cannot have anything private built. Smash that like button if you agree. I didn't make it up. I've noticed this one thing though. Whoever decides to make their own rules on this world, 9 times out of 10 fail. They already gave you the rules. Now, you got to create your own. I'm not saying that or bend it into your favor. But right is right and wrong is wrong. Right? Right is right and wrong is wrong. So, this goes to show, ladies, you get your titties done, your ass done, your wop, your wet ass pom pom. That will not keep a man in the house. This is why. Because there's plenty of it outdoors. It's plenty of it outdoors. So according to supply and demand, it's a lot of supply. There's no shortage. So you got to bring more than that. So maybe if you was to cook and maybe if you was to clean, then maybe you can keep that ring. But she filed for a divorce because he allegedly, hypothetically, supposedly cheated. Now, with a man with that stature, right? Do you think that you're the only one? No, really think about it. You knew what you was getting yourself into before you got into this. You can't change a man. He wants to be on the outside, let him be on the outside. He wants to live how he lives. A man gonna do what they do. Smash that like button if you agree. Leave your thoughts down below. I really want to know what you think about this one. So if you understand that, right? Why do women consistently try to change a man? You can't. Only he can change himself. Now, this is detrimental to your family because y'all have beautiful kids. I want y'all to stay together. Somebody got to stay together because look at all these celebrity goals and relationship goals, and they basing upon the celebrities. I never based my goals upon any celebrity. This is why. I was told never judge a book by its cover because I really don't know what happened behind closed door. It can look real nice, but it ain't right. You know? So I'm bringing you this update to let you know, fellas or ladies, you cannot change a man. A man gonna always be a man. And fellas, you cannot turn a street sweeper into a housewife. Because now what she's going to do, since she already have the money, I believe she make more than Offset, she going to dominate you and take half of yours. That part, that's the part they're not talking about. You just got her even richer. But that's on you, because as a man, you got to be accountable for the actions that you take. Smash that like button, tell a friend and tell a friend. Leave them thoughts down below. I really want to know what you think about this one. On that note, peace, blessings, and love. Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it.